Hello everyone, welcome back to another video guys. Today I will talk about the next price target of sushi coin, where you can see here my brother make a crazy profit. But I strongly come into my telegram group because I give you 10 to 15 signals only and my group. Okay, so that's why you will be print money like machine. But if you join, link is in the description, must check it out. You can see here my brother the sushi coin current condition, so it was on the support level my brother. You can see here not moving pump, not crash, but my brothers little bit sometime pumps and sometime break down, break out. Okay, this type of movement when we see my brother, that's mean this coin was we gonna stuck. Okay, so therefore we will completely ignore, but right now it was retesting, so therefore I expected one small pump. So I strongly recommend you, if you want to make a crazy profit, then definitely don't miss this small pump, especially if we look this time the volume. So you can see here 79.00% it was increased. Definitely this is not bad, absolutely it was crazy. So you can see a 0.52% the market cap was little bit increasing, that's why the price was also not a quick pump. So I strongly recommend you my brothers to, if you take a long position in sushi coin, absolutely it will be pump, you will be make a crazy profit. Join telegram group for future trading signal, link is in the description, must join. Okay, see you next time.